Hey guys, welcome to the Unicode again, and in this video we are in a Python tutorial hashtag 2. So get into your start and type Python. In the Python you're gonna find IDLE. It's basically a Python shell where you can type your Python code, you can get output, and this is the advantage of Python. You see, any other languages like C needs a separate software like code blocks to run, but Python provides automatic Python shell itself. So let's start by making a program that displays something. Like we need to use print. Print is a statement or a function which is used to uh, print something or to display something. So I'm gonna print something only. Let me run it and then I'll explain what exactly it is. So you see something has been coming. So assume that you have a printer in your home and you want to print something in that. So you keep the something and the something comes out. In the same way, we keep something in the printer and the printer gives the something again. Let me show you another thing. Like, hey, hi. And the rule of the print statement is you have to use both brackets. In the bracket you can use double commas or double inverted commas or single inverted commas, it's your wish. It doesn't mind, or Python doesn't mind. So let's run it. You can see the same output that came. You can use, or you can print another line in it, like using uh, \n. Now I'm going to show you using double inverted commas. So this time this is Unicode, and using \n, backslash and then it passes to the next line. And here I want to type this is Python tutorial, anything you can say it passes to the second line. This is the way to use print functions. And coming to the operations, in Python you have a plenty of operations that you can, even a Google is made up of Python. You see Google, YouTube, Instagram, and many websites and applications are made from Python only. So let's see what exactly operators are. Operators nothing but functions, or the basic these things. You know, all know these things, right? They are division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. A syntax error. When you give the syntax is wrong, it's gonna provide a syntax error. If you don't know about it, I'm explaining it. Basically a syntax is the line which you write, or instructions which you give to the computer. If you didn't saw my first video of the Python or introduction to programming or what is programming, make sure you see it. And let's coming to the operators. uh, Operators are these things which you can perform a basic operations like 2 plus 2. Python directly understands it and makes it. 9 divided by 3, you get it, and 9 into 3. And basically this one or this symbol is called multiplication in Python. And next is 4 divided by 2, you get it, to all works. And let's see some extra things like using parentheses or using brackets. You can determine which one to be done first. Like you see 8 divided by 2 plus 2, right? I want to do like this, you can directly get output. uh, and next thing is you can even use negative signs, like 4 minus 4 divided by 2, you get minus 2. And you can perform many calculations. And another thing I want to tell you is uh, advanced operators like 9 to the power of 2. Using two of the symbols is called power of, like 9 to the power of 2, you get 81, right? In the same way, if you want reminder, let me show you. 8 divided or using a percentage and 5 or 8, you get reminder of the sum which you gave to the Python. You can see the one has came. Let me show you another example. 5 divided by 2, you get 1 is a reminder. And another thing is you can show it, or you can round off up to decimals. Let me show you. 1 divided by 3 or double slash 3, it shows you 0 because 0 point something, right? It only shows the first specific number. Let me show you a different thing. 5 double slash 2, you get 2. If you